runs very smooth, but it doesn't have that aggressiveness like the H22 I had on Miley. Yeah, just totally different engines. Stop. Ayun. Man. Not going easy. Wow. Yeah, I'm on there for sure. When I put this thing together before, it wasn't like this. This time it went in really easy. I like that. That's more like it. Got everything all buttoned up except for one that broke. I will fix that later. This is for my water temperature indicator. But air intakes is all installed. And it's looking pretty cool, man. Man. We'll see. I know it's gonna shift. Yeah. Yeah, that's it, man. Yeah. Oh man. All right, man. 2 days and total of 5 hours removal and installation. Snow White is finally running and with gears. Yeah. Whew. Right on, man. It's a good thing after I have bore scope it, and that night I thought about it, man. Why don't I put it on first gear and try to crank her up? And yeah, sure enough, this bad boy moved, and so the clutch is not disengaging. So the next day, yanked it out. And you saw it, man. I could not believe that it can happen like that, you know, that will cause the problem. But you saw it earlier how I put the transmission on there, one show, and it's flying right in. So yeah, man. Oh, hopefully well, it is a lesson learned. So from now on I will take my time. If the transmission doesn't go in, as far as being mated into the block, pull it out and do some inspection before. Well, you don't want to do just like what I did here. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys back. All right, year 2023, right on. Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah. She's moving and got reversed. Bye everyone.